So, ito yung pag-cut ng tissue paper for your artificial sampagita flower. If you want that. So, this is what I use. The facial tissue from Sonicare. Sonicare, baka naman. So, you get one and pastel. You get one, tapos i-fold mo into half. And mas okay kung i-cut mo siya. I-cut mo muna siya. Para tuloy-tuloy yung pagkuha mo ng paper. So, ayan, i-cut mo na. And then you have to fold it again. And you cut. And fold it again. Like that, just like that. And you cut. And now you have two parts. So yung isa, iiwan mo na lang dyan. Kasi gagamitin mo yan. And then the other one, you fold it again in half and you cut. Because that serves as your petal cover. Petal cover. Para at least neat looking yung sampagita flower. So, tag-isa-isa lang yung kinukuha ko dyan. And as I want it to be chunky. So, here it is. And then part 2 sa video. So, we are done making our sampagita buds on tissue paper. So, ready na para i-make tuhog sa stick. Now, we have 3 available sticks here. Ang floral stick, which is nipis siya, but okay naman kasi wire. So, I think, hindi ko na try, but I think it would be wobbly or hindi masyado makapit. So then, we also have the barbecue stick. But I'm not going to use the barbecue stick kasi short lang siya. So, here's the silhig bokog stick. Ito, pwede mo ma-cut kung anong gusto mong length. So, I will be using this silhig bokog instead of the floral wire and the barbecue stick. So, let's try. Ay, tuhog na natin yung yung nagawa nating sampagita buds. Okay, so make sure lang na na makapasok yung sampagita buds. Dito kasi yung nakuha kong silhig bokog stick is medyo siya larger. No, like fat stick. So, medyo hirapan ako na ipasok siya. But, pwede naman siyang i-cut. a half para smooth lang yung pagpasok ng Sampaguita buds at hindi masira. Pero kasi I prefer this sa may silhig bokog. Parang hindi na ako bibili ng mga stick. Kasi pwede naman. And then, pwede ko siyang gawing 16 inches or 20 inches, depende sa anong gusto mong length. Para namang, maganda yung pinalabasan sa decoration mo. Gayak sa karosa. Yes, this is my first time making a Sampaguita stick. As in, Sampaguita buds on stick. Kasi, wala ditong, Sampaguita sa Iloilo. Walang Sampaguita sellers. Like sa Manila na meron kang mabibili at least fresh flowers. I prefer actually fresh Sampaguita flowers sa sa karosa namin. But since sa Iloilo kami and mahirap maghanap ng Sampaguita buds dito. So nag-DIY na lang ako. And eto yun, imbes na bibili, kung pwede ka naman mag-DIY, pwede ka naman gumawa ng sarili mo kasi tissue paper lang naman ito. At saka floral tape and silhig bukog sticker. Any stick you like. Pwede ka rin, maghanap ng any stick you like to put your tuhog. So, here's the product. Ito pa lang ginagawa ko. First time kong gumawa nito. I think it's okay. Hands-on talaga yung kamarera ni Santa Juana de Cusa. Okay ba? Okay na?